Looking for the best cameras under $200 that deliver great quality without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload quality videos daily to help you make smarter buying decisions across all kinds of products. And today, we're breaking down the top budget-friendly cameras worth your money. Number 1. Kodak PixPro AZ405 BK 20 megapixels. The Kodak PixPro AZ405 BK is a powerful yet affordable bridge camera that offers impressive zoom and clarity for its price. Featuring a 20-megapixel CMOS sensor and a massive 40x optical zoom with a 24mm wide-angle lens, it's perfect for capturing everything from distant wildlife to sweeping landscapes. The camera records in 1080p Full HD, making it a solid choice for vlogging or casual video work. The large 3-inch LCD screen provides a clear view for composing shots, and optical image stabilization (OIS) helps reduce motion blur, especially when zooming in. It supports SD cards up to 512 GB, Class 10 or higher, offering plenty of room for photos and videos. One unique feature is its use of AA batteries, which can be convenient for travel and easy replacement on the go. Number 2. Double CAMKORY USDC-403L-S digital camera. The CAMKORY USDC-403L-S is a beginner-friendly digital camera that balances simplicity with creativity, making it an ideal choice for kids, teens, and casual users. It captures crisp 44MP photos and smooth 1080p Full HD videos using a modern CMOS metering system, eliminating the need for complicated manual settings while still producing vivid, natural-looking images. Compact and ultra-portable, this camera is lightweight and small enough to fit in your pocket, perfect for travel, school trips, or everyday fun. It comes with 2 long-lasting batteries and features an auto power-off mode to conserve energy on longer outings. Designed with ease of use in mind, its ergonomic layout, simple menu system, and large LCD screen make it incredibly user-friendly, even for children as young as 5. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Film Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is a stylish and user-friendly instant film camera, perfect for capturing spontaneous moments with a fun, nostalgic twist. Its compact and playful design makes it a joy to carry around, and turning it on is as easy as twisting the lens, great for quick, on-the-go shooting. Built with a selfie mirror and close-up mode with parallax correction, it's tailor-made for selfies and close shots. Thanks to its automatic exposure and flash control, your prints come out bright and balanced, avoiding that typical overexposed look. It prints 2 inches by 3 Instax Mini photos in just 5 seconds, with full development in about 90 seconds, offering instant gratification with a tangible memory. The camera includes a hand strap, 2 AA batteries, and a 1-year warranty. Number 4. YISENCE Waterproof Digital Camera. The YISENCE Waterproof Digital Camera is a feature-packed, adventure-ready companion perfect for capturing underwater moments in stunning clarity. With 4K Ultra HD video and 56-megapixel photo resolution, it's designed to deliver vivid, high-quality content, whether you're snorkeling, swimming, or just splashing around. Built for underwater performance, it operates safely at depths of up to 11 feet, 3.5 meters, and offers up to 70 minutes of battery life per charge. One of its standout features is the dual-screen design, making selfies and group shots a breeze, even underwater. It's lightweight, floatable, and perfect for kids, travelers, or family vacations. With support for micro SD cards, up to 128 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes included, you'll have plenty of storage for all your adventures. Number 5. Sony DSC-W800 B 20.1 megapixels. The Sony DSC-W800B is a compact and reliable digital camera designed for users who want simplicity without sacrificing image quality. Featuring a 20.1 MP Super HD CCD sensor, it captures sharp, vibrant photos, while steady-shot image stabilization helps reduce blur for clearer results even when shooting handheld. Its Sony lens with 5x optical zoom allows you to get closer to your subject, and the 360-degree sweep panorama mode is perfect for capturing wide landscapes with a single press. With features like Easy Mode for a simplified menu, blink detection, and versatile digital zoom ranges, it's great for beginners or those wanting a straightforward point-and-shoot experience. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, USB cable, wrist strap, and manual. This is a strong contender for anyone seeking the best budget camera under $200.